Electrifying the snowbelt Teslas in winter wonderland. More folks are switching to electric cars, even in places with serious snow. Teslas are popping up everywhere, from sunny California to snowy New England. It's clear electric cars are here to stay, but can they handle a good blizzard? Let's find out. We've all seen gas guzzlers struggling in the snow. Spinning tires, zero traction, it's a drag. But with Teslas, it's a different story. Their weight distribution and electric motors give them an edge on slick surfaces. However, don't think for a second that a Tesla is invincible. Even with fancy tech, Mother Nature can throw a wrench in the works. Ice is a great equalizer. Whether you're driving a Tesla or a tank, too much ice is asking for trouble. That being said, a little knowledge goes a long way. Knowing your Tesla and how it reacts in winter conditions can make all the difference. Snowbound Tesla. Can it happen? Yes, even a Tesla can get stuck in the snow. It happens. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. It's not about the car being electric, it's about physics. Too much snow under the carriage? You're beached. Ice under the tires? Good luck getting traction. It's the same for any car. Now, Teslas are heavy. That battery pack adds weight. This can be good for traction, but bad if you're high-centered. Ever seen a low-riding sports car try to tackle a snowdrift? Same idea. Remember, ground clearance matters. Know how much space you have under that Tesla before braving the snowdrifts. Snowed in? Steps to free your Tesla. Okay, so you're stuck. Don't panic. First rule, don't floor it. You'll just dig yourself deeper. Been there, done that, got the tow truck bill. Try rocking back and forth. Gently does it. Shift between drive and reverse, slowly gaining momentum. This can sometimes help you break free. No luck? Time to get some snow out of the way. Clear a path in front of the tires. Use a shovel, your floor mats, anything you can find. Cat litter or sand can help with traction too. Sprinkle some around the drive wheels. Still stuck? Call for help. No shame in calling a tow truck. Sometimes it's the smartest move. Section 4, Tesla Winter Driving. Tips from the garage. First things first, winter tires. Non-negotiable, folks. They make a world of difference on snow and ice. Think of them as winter boots for your car. Battery management is key with EVs in cold weather. Cold temps can affect range. It's like your phone battery dying faster in the cold. Keep your Tesla plugged in when you can. Preheat the cabin while it's still plugged in. Saves battery and keeps you toasty. Teslas have traction control. It's your friend. Keep it on. It helps prevent wheel spin and keeps you going straight. You can adjust the regen braking too. Less regen means less aggressive braking, which can be helpful on slick roads. Section 5, Deep Snow Challenge Tesla's Prowess. So, can a Tesla handle deep snow? To a point, yes. Ground clearance is the limiting factor here. A Model X on bigger tires? Yeah, it can handle some powder. A Model 3 lowered for style? Stick to plowed roads, buddy. Remember those winter tires? They're crucial. Deep snow needs deep tread. If you're venturing off the beaten path, consider snow chains. They're like giving your Tesla snowshoes. Even with the best equipment, common sense is key. Don't go plowing through snowdrifts like you're in a monster truck rally. Take it slow, be cautious, and know your limits. Section 6, Safe Travels in your electric sleigh. Driving a Tesla in winter isn't rocket science. It's about being prepared and using common sense. Winter tires, battery awareness, and respecting the elements are key. Remember, even the most advanced car can't defy physics. Snow and ice affect all vehicles. Drive accordingly, be safe, and enjoy the silent electric ride. See you on the road.